In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently leave a comment on a Jira card using the platform at benzluisarlos@Atlassian.net. Whether you're collaborating with your team or tracking project progress, being able to add comments effectively is an essential skill. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the For You section on Jira. This is your personalized dashboard that provides a snapshot view of your tasks and updates. It's designed to help you stay focused on what's most important. If you're not already logged in, make sure you've entered your credentials to gain access. Once you're on the For You page, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's select the project you're currently working on. Clicking on your project opens up all the related tasks and details specific to that project. Here, you can really dig into what's happening in a particular workflow and see the status of different tasks. It's essential to make sure you're in the correct project, so double check that before proceeding. With the project selected, the next step is to click on the board where your project tasks are organized. Think of this board as a digital space where all the pieces of your project come together. Here, you'll see various cards representing individual tasks or stories within your project. It's designed to help you visualize the progress and make adjustments as needed. Now that you're on the board, it's time to select the specific card you want to comment on. Each card offers detailed information on the task at hand, including descriptions, assignees, and activity logs. By clicking on the card, you'll open the detailed view where you can review what's been done and see where your input is needed. With the card open, go ahead and type in your comment. This is your opportunity to add valuable insights, ask questions, or provide status updates. When writing your comment, aim for clarity and conciseness to ensure your message is easily understood by anyone reading it. This field is important for maintaining open communication with your team, so feel free to express your thoughts clearly. Once your comment is ready, the final step is to click Save. This action ensures that your comment is recorded and becomes part of the ongoing discussion within that card. It's crucial not to skip this step, as failing to save your comment might mean it's lost, and the intended audience won't benefit from your input. And there you have it. Simple, straightforward steps to add a comment in Jira. By following these steps, you'll enhance your collaboration efforts and keep everyone in the loop with current project developments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow within Jira. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.